Good afternoon, everyone. In this series, we're gonna see all the basic for third-person game. We're gonna touch the UI interface, so how to implement a crosshair, a dynamic crosshair. So when you move, it's go like this, and if you stop, it's go back to normal. How to implement your ammunition, your health, or stamina. We're gonna import some animations and weapons, so we can use that to walk in each direction, and we're gonna do the same thing when we're crouching. We're gonna play with a capsule component, so when we want to go under an object, the capsule component is gonna follow the animation, so we will be able to go under. When we're under an object, we're gonna use line trace to see if we can go back up or not, and we're gonna see how to shoot in single burst and auto fire. And every time we shoot, we're gonna make sure that our bullets has a physic enabled, so when we touch an object, like you can see here in burst fire, the object is moving. Same thing in single fire and in auto fire. So we're gonna see how to do this. We're gonna see how to reload if you have enough ammunition, and if your clip is full, you won't be able to reload. We're gonna make sure that we shoot in the middle of our crosshair. So I'll catch you on the first video. See ya.